Struggling with IT issues in the financial sector? How about solutions that actually work for a change? Hey everybody, Stan here with Stan's Garage. We're the channel that brings you everything you need to know for successful business IT management. Running a managed IT service company here in Los Angeles for the past 15 years, I've noticed that our financial companies often face similar IT challenges. Now, it's not rocket science to understand that financial institutions need a well-oiled IT infrastructure to ensure smooth operations, protect sensitive data, and maintain customer trust. Unfortunately, it's the same technology that drives innovation that comes with a range of obstacles, from cybersecurity threats to outdated systems. The good news, these challenges are manageable, especially with the right support. In this video, you're going to learn the top IT pain points in the financial sector and how your business can overcome them. Number one IT pain point we hear from the financial firms we work with, cybersecurity. And it makes sense. Finance companies hold on to large amounts of sensitive information and money. Plus, they have strict compliance regulations to follow. The sector's increasing digitization has made it a prime target for cyber criminals. Consequences of a successful cyber attack can be severe, including financial losses, regulatory fines, and a significant blow to customer trust. To effectively combat these threats, financial institutions need to implement comprehensive cybersecurity measures. This means threat monitoring, risk assessments, and intrusion prevention systems. By partnering with a managed service provider, MSP, businesses can make sure their cybersecurity infrastructure is robust and up to date. It's one of the best ways to protect both assets and reputation. Data management is another major challenge in the financial sector. Data constantly moves daily in this industry, from customer information to transaction detail. Effective data management is the key to maintaining regulatory compliance, making informed decisions, and ensuring operational efficiency. However, integrating and managing this data can be complex, especially with the rise of digital banking and fintech, which have exponentially increased the volume of that data. When looking for support, choose someone that can provide the expertise needed to streamline data processes and ensure your data is accurately captured, stored, and analyzed. Proper data management will not only help in decision-making, but also maintain compliance with industry regulations. System downtime is another big concern. It can have disastrous consequences for financial institutions. Whether it's providing transactions or providing customer service, every second of downtime can lead to financial losses and damage to an institution's reputation. Customers rightfully expect seamless, uninterrupted access to their accounts and financial services, making consistent IT support non-negotiable. Financial institutions can minimize system downtime with 24/7 IT support and proactive system monitoring and maintenance, a service that is often available with your managed service provider. 24/7 support means any issue can be addressed quickly, allowing business operations to continue smoothly and customers to receive the service they expect. Many financial institutions still rely on outdated legacy systems, can be frustrating to manage, and pose significant risk. These systems are always more vulnerable to cyber attacks, lack the efficiency of modern technologies, and can be costly to maintain. Additionally, they can impede digital transformation efforts, making it difficult for businesses to stay cutting edge and competitive. Transitioning to modern systems with the help of your IT provider can provide numerous benefits, including improved security, scalability, and the ability to integrate new technologies like AI and cloud computing. Upgrading your IT infrastructure enhances operational efficiency, improves employee morale, and also positions your business for future growth. The shortage of skilled IT professionals is a growing concern in the financial sector. As technology continues to evolve, the demand for expertise in areas like cybersecurity, AI, and data analytics is outpacing supply. This talent gap can slow down innovation and leave businesses vulnerable to operational risks. Maybe you want to hire someone, but finding someone experienced enough is a challenge. Outsourcing IT needs to something like an MSP can help bridge this gap, giving financial institutions access to a team of skilled professionals without the burden of hiring and training in-house staff. This approach is a great way to ensure your IT infrastructure is well maintained and secure. While the financial sector is dealing with significant IT challenges, par for the course, these obstacles are not insurmountable. With the right support and infrastructure, your business can overcome these challenges effectively. If you're ready to strengthen your IT strategy, considering reaching out to a managed IT service provider, we at STG Infotech here would love to help. We can help you rise up to these challenges and build secure, efficient, and future-ready IT infrastructure. So as always, I would love to hear your thoughts on this video. If you're ready to strengthen your IT strategy, consider reaching out to us here at STG Infotech, by leaving a comment, or connecting with us via the calendar link we provide in the show's description. We're here to help you overcome these challenges and build a secure, efficient, and future-ready IT environment. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technology content.